It's incredible. Humanity's just waking up to the potential of this. There is literally no limit. My mission was to get this information out into the world. We have to become explorers of consciousness.
The multi-dimensional spectrum.
There is a shift occurring.
You exist beyond your body.
This is where the answers lie. It's within ourselves.
It was life-changing. Endless abilities to explore within ourselves.
Natural phenomena occurring worldwide.
Every single time you go to sleep, you're entering the hypnagogic state. It's a launch point. We've been conditioned to believe we're a hunk of flesh, that our consciousness is located in this 3-pound gray mass. When you have an out-of-body experience, what do you first learn? I'm not my body. I'm not a biological human being. That's not what I am at all. It's a mind blower. Right out of the gate, that alone blows people's mind. Because humans at this point, they don't know what they are, they don't know where they come from, and they don't know where they're going. But yet they reach all these grandiose conclusions about life. The power of out-of-body experiences is that it's repeatable. One of the main purposes for all of my books is for people to become explorers of consciousness themselves. I've done a lot of surveys and talked to thousands of people. Hey, this is normal. It's about time we started talking about this. Let's have a discussion about it. Most people think they're body, mind, and spirit. That's a childish interpretation. We're multi-dimensional beings, immortal. This is nothing new. This has been said by Buddha. The Old Testament and the New Testament are full of these kind of experiences. Pick up any ancient text, the Quran, the Upanishads. It's obviously an out-of-body experience by the author. Everybody talks about heaven. You know, it's nebulous. It means nothing. I wanted to get more specific. What is this non-physical dimension we're going to go into? How does it work? How does it function? Where do you fit in? I always say in my workshops, don't believe a word. The whole purpose here is for you to have your own experience. In every experience, you're the center, you're the creator. Bring it. Know what you are. Know yourself. It's a mind-blowing experience that you can't even adequately describe. It's so expansive.